Alright, so in this lab, we're gonna do something about related with PostgreSQL database server. So the Nautilus application development team has shared that they're planning to deploy one newly developed application on Nautilus Infer in StratoDC. So the application use PostgreSQL database. So they use PostgreSQL. Alright, that's okay. So as prerequisite, we need to set up PostgreSQL database server as per requirements shared below. So PostgreSQL database server is already installed on the Nautilus database server. So create a database user co-cloud team and set its password to this. So now we have to go to the Nautilus database server. So Nautilus database server is this one, right? So username is Peter and host name is stdb01. So we're gonna copy this password. Alright, we're gonna go to the Peter stdb01, enter. Yeah, I paste the password right there. So now now we are on the database server. So PostgreSQL database server is already installed. So for sure you can check Red Hat Package Manager to a grep postgres SQL. So we will see that all packages installed right there. So the first requirement is we have to create a database user co-cloud 10 and set it passwords to this. So we have to create a database user, create user with this password, right? So before doing that, let me find how to create using Postgres S2S on CentOS. So let me find like that. Right. So we have to copy this command. First of all, let me copy this. So we can copy this command, single command. Here is a create user, co-cloud team, and we password that. Alright, so I'm gonna copy that. So Peter password is this one. So we had the permission deny. So let we use this separately. So now we're gonna use this. Up command not found. What's wrong? Co-cloud user set a postgres form. So yeah, that's just we have. So let we access to Postgres using system user. Alright, so now we are Postgres server. So let we enter the interactive PostgreSQL PSQL. So now we will create this this username with this password. Oh, so we are already set with that name. How to check users list on postgres SQS CentOS. So here, so this is gonna be, oh, so this is just layers. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we have the username right here. So okay, we successfully created a database user. So how to create a database and grant permission for co-clouding in a database. So alright, so how to create a database using Postgres on CentOS. Alright, so we will create that passwords, and now we will create a database, this one. Alright, so I'm gonna copy. What's wrong? So we're gonna have to sentence error, line 1 is pseudo sentence error. Yeah, so we create database, and then we will give the give all privilege on the database to this username. So here, so username is co-clouding. So on that database, we will get grant full permissions. So for that, so here grant all privilege on database co-cloud and to the co-clouding. So that's it. So and then yeah, we finish. So we exit. So let me check it out. So we didn't restart Postgres server. So alright, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.